Okay, so this one's talking more about quantifiers. And so it says some classifiers also serve as quantifiers. So in addition to just the sum, plenty, and a little that we learned, you can also use the classifiers that are on page 141, and they can indicate the amount of liquid, the thickness of a solid, or the height of a stack. Okay, so if you guys want to look on page 141. So the first one that they're showing is, so whenever you write a classifier down, then you're going to put a capital CL, and then the semicolon, and then whatever the letter is or handshake. So this one is a G, so it's like this, okay? Like that much, that big, okay? So this one says there's still a little soda left, do you want some? Okay? So you would sign still left, and then you would show this much. You want you. And then this one, rather than putting a line with a Q over it to show it's a question, we have the lovely parentheses right here. So for this one we'll say still left that much soda, okay? So still left this much soda. Okay? Now for question, do you remember? So whenever you ask a question, sign language, in ASL, then you'll lean forward a little bit and raise your eyebrows. Okay? So, you want you? Okay, so try it all together. So, still left that much soda. You want you? Awesome. Okay, so the next one says, my house has a lot of dust. It's pretty dirty. Okay? So my house, wow, dirty. Have that much dust. And then they're just spelling out dust. I would do the sign like, wow, like, whoo. Wow, that's a lot. Like, whoo. Okay? So that's what that sign more comes across as. You could also do like this one, but this is more like awesome. This is more like the general sense of good, like, oh, that was awesome, wow, I'm impressed, wow, not like, oh. That's more like, oh, wow, or like, whew. That can fit there too. Okay, so if we do my house, wow, dirty, have that much D-U-S-T, dust, okay? So my house, wow, dirty, have that much dust. Okay, and then you should drink some orange juice. Okay, so that one, so that much, and they had OJ in the book, so we'll just do that one. OJ, you drink, should, you. Okay. Okay. So in your book, then you will see this one, and it has two little dots like that over the L. But since I also can't write that in, then it says like two dots over the L, just to clarify in case you're confused. So whenever you see the two dots, then it's going to mean then it's more of like a bent shape. So with the L, if you were just doing an L, it would be like that. But with the two dots over it, it means kind of more like how you would do the 100. So how you would go to like 100 this way. This is more the hand shape that you're referring to. Okay, so for this one, then she bought a new rug. It's very thick. So this will show the thickness of the rug. Okay, so she buy rug new. Wow, that big. Okay, so she buy rug, R-U-G, new. Wow, that big. Okay, and then for this one, I found a lot of water in the basement. Okay, so we learned basement. What's basement? Basement. I find that much water. Okay. I know that would. Okay, then the last one, arrows pointing up and down after this, just to clarify. And you're going to have it this much. So this this is referring, so these are like your, like similar to a B, like that much. I would probably turn it a little bit more because I don't want to hold my arm up here. So I would just do it here like that much, okay? So this one says, I have to read a big stack of books for class, okay? So must I read, and then the big stack of books, that much books for class. Okay, and then he gave me a stack of letters recently, okay? So recently, he gave me, oh, this one's doing, okay, because it's all connected with the dashes, he gave me his one sign. So by me going like this, okay, so this is the sign like give. Okay, so this would be like, it's being given to me, so you know that there's someone else being the one to give it to me. If it's from God, I would do it up here, God's giving it to me, or I'm give. This is just the, you can do this one too, but I've usually seen this one for give. This can also be like for gift or present, so it's give that way. So I can give it to you, because, and I don't have to say I give you, because it's already clarified that it's starting right here with me, and it's going to someone else. So I can set up ahead of time, she's sitting right here, this is the name, and I explain all of that, and then I give it to her. Or I could explain that she gives it to me, or I give it to him, or I'm just giving them out like that. Okay? So for this one, because it's the he give me, then I know I don't have to say he. You could clarify he give me, but in general you know that there's already someone there that's giving it to me because I'm starting out here. So he give me, and then that many letters. Okay, so try that one again. So recently, he give me